aming Ama. Maraming salamat po sa pagtatapos ng araw na ito. Salamat po sa lakas at siglan na iyong ipinagkaloob na siyang ibinubos namin sa aming mga gawain. Naway bantayan niyo po kami at ingatan sa aming pag-uwi at pamamahinga sa aming mga tahanan. Tulungan niyo po kami maging handa sa mga panibagong pagsubok na aming haharapin. Sa iyo namin ipinagkakatiwala ang aming buhay at pag-asa. Itong aming dalangin sa ngalan ng iyong Ama at aming Panginoon at Tagapagligtas na si Jesus. Amen. This is DZLZ-TV Channel 33, a commercial TV station transmitting the 25 kilowatt effective radiated power. Owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated with temporary permit number BSD-0208-2024 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 9, 2027. Zoe BTV Channel 33 studios are located on the 22nd floor of Strata 3000 Building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe BTV Channel 33 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199. And carried out by the following electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Risha Ann S. Roque, PCE number 66327. Engineer Ted Elison C. Zapanta, PCE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Fabros, PCE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, PCE number 63291. Engineer Jimwell M. Callejo, PCE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. Dalit, PCE number 68369. Engineer Michael Andrew M. Kapendi, PCE number 76124. Engineer Terry John H. Lanza II, PCE number 41568. Manager G. Falculan, PCT number 23222. John Paul R. Ogsomer, PCT number 27635. Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1P Ray, 23313. Nelson Jr. C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. DTV 32 Baguio City, DTV 20 Cebu City, DTV 20 Guimaras, DTV 20 Cagayan de Oro City, DTV 20 Davao City. This is DZLZ DTV Channel 33. Now sign off.